A metal oxide is reduced by heating in a stream of hydrogen. It is found that after complete reduction, 3.15 grams of metal oxide produces 1.05 grams of metal. So if I say some metal oxide, let us say something MO, reacted with hydrogen, gave you some metal. They have mentioned in this metal oxide mass is 3.15 grams. Your metal coming out is 1.05 grams. I can use a simple concept over here. If I say metal oxide giving you metal plus oxygen, if I take this 3.15 grams giving you 1.05, how much mass of oxygen can come according to law of conservation of mass? I am applying law of conservation of mass here. If I apply law of conservation of mass, I get the mass of oxygen that will be coming out, or I can represent the mass in terms of W. If I say mass of oxygen is equals to 3.15 minus 1.05, which is equals to 5501 2.1. Okay, we got the mass. Now we can use a simple concept. Equivalents of metal formed will be equals to equivalents of oxygen formed. Equivalents of oxygen. Equivalents of metal formed is equals to equivalents of oxygen. So both are formed at the same equivalence. If metal oxide has been dissociated into metal and oxygen, if you take in this, equivalence of metal is weight by equivalent weight of metal is equals to weight by equivalent weight of oxygen. Weight we have, metal weight is 1.05 grams, equivalent weight we have to find, which is equals to, we got 2.1 grams of oxygen and 8 grams is the equivalent mass of oxygen. Very easy concept. So now E comes to be 1.05 into 8 by 2.1, and the answer comes to be exactly, you can see 4 nearly. So 2 4 times and 4 once 4, nearly approximately your answer comes to be 4. 4 is your equivalent mass. Now we know valency of metal is 2, because in the metal oxide, now the valency of the metal, if they don't mention, we take it's normally as 2. So if you take valency is 2, then atomic weight is equals to equivalent weight into valency. That means it should be 4 into 2. 8 should be the atomic weight of that particular substance. Let us see the options now. According to the options, if I take, what are the options? You have atomic weight of the metal, we got 8. This is correct answer 1. Equivalent weight of the metal is 4. We got the correct answer 3. 1 and 3 are the options we got here. So let us see where we have 1 and 3. And 1 and 3 is in the option C. So the answer for this particular question is option C. Equivalent weight and atomic weights can be calculated with valency known to you.